Giving you a little quick rundown. I'm trying to put the column back in. See it right here. And I couldn't get the coupler back on. And after looking at it, these guys were not going in. See how that one's stuck. Come on. Okay. So inside of here, hopefully this thing will focus in. You can see some burrs. There's some, actually that's crud. There. Burr, and right there we've got burrs. So I'm going in there and I'm filing them down to try to get this guy to go in. So I've got this one to go in. It's pretty good. Probably a little bit of burrs there still. So I'm gonna hit that one a little bit more, and I gotta keep going on this one to get this to slide. All right, finally, we can put this guy back on. All right, I got the C-clamps squeezing on the cover to the coupler to really get these fingers really past these nubs that are on the coupler itself. And then the idea is I could smack these guys down to really curl them over so that this thing doesn't pop off. Okay, see how I got it down to where it's touching? Do the same to this side. All right, looks pretty good. Hopefully it stays put. Let's throw the column back in. All right, I'm gonna leave this a little bit loose. I know we gotta get the column to go onto the steering shaft. Not on that. Going on.